Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Temu browsing history. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're browsing through items and you want to remember an item that you may have watched or looked at a couple of days ago. How do you actually go ahead and see your Temu browsing history? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you're going to go onto your Temu app, and then you're going to click on the U icon on the bottom middle side. Now, it's very important that you need to make sure that you're logged into Temu in order for it to save an account for your account history. Next, once you're logged in, you're going to click on the history button right over here. And this right here is going to be your browsing history on Temu. So as you can see, I was looking at this office equipment phone, and that was just today. But as you look at different items on Temu, you'll be able to populate this browsing history and see items that you've looked before on Temu. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your browsing history on Temu. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.